What up, Kyron? One broken ass parking lot. What do you think what this building was? Huh. Oh, he found an exit. I mean entrance. Warehouse? Do you think they still store shit in here? Yo, bathroom!
That they tell us over?
Yo,
got a whole shower?
Hello?
Yeah, you reckon power storage? Hell no.
What? I don't have a flashlight.
That toilet was you, nigga. Hell no.
Oh, fuck no. Oh.
Can we visit that bridge in this bitch?
Is there actually?
Yeah, that's just moving.
Ugh.
I wonder if we can find copper.
Copper?
Yeah, if we find that copper, but we don't know. I almost swung to me. There's a few vacuums. That shit's brand new.
Droppings. Yo, wait, watch this. I wonder what they made in here. Breaker. You wanna go fuck around with the breaker? It's right there. No balls. No balls. No balls. Pull it down. They probably cut off electricity to the building.
Oh, they just gave us.
Oh, you want to break a window? Two dogs. Yo. Fuck. Holy shit. I was out of there despite the fucking things.